Hey everyone, this is Tony. So I'm going to be doing a stair twist. So I thought I'd show what the process looks like. So this is the setup before I put it in and twist it. So what I do is I chisel lines on every side, and then on the opposing corners, I cut these cubes in here. So when I twist it, this will wrap around. These will look like stairs, so it will look like a spiral staircase. So now that this is cooled down a bit, you can see what the final process looks like. It's still hot, so I'm not touching it, but you can see how this wraps around and the little cubes pop out. I'm going to be straightening out the stair twist I did, because usually when you do a twist, it comes out a little crooked. So I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to use this leather mallet, because if I were to use a metal mallet, it would just ding up everything I've done. So with the leather mallet, I'm able to hit the hot metal and still shape it and bend it into position without ruining the work. And then I do that over here on this, it's a piece of pine. So this is what I do the work on, so I'm not hitting the hot metal onto my hot anvil and in turn creating dings there. So that's what I'm about to do here. So you can see it's got a little bit of a twist here, well, a little bit of a bow. It's pretty good this way. This is the finished product here. I've straightened it out. Looks pretty straight. We've got the stair twist on here. It's still hot, so I'm not grabbing it by the handle. So this is the final result. And I will be putting these up on my website very soon. I'm hoping to launch that this month. So that's what I'm doing here, is trying to get prototypes up here so I can get some nice pictures, get them up on the website. So you can look for these hopefully later this month.